Greetings viewers, I'm happy to connect to you today on a very important day, the World Obesity Day, March 4th, 2021, which is observed globally. The idea is to promote practical solutions, lead and drive global efforts to reduce, prevent and treat obesity. Obesity is a complex, multifactorial, chronic, relapsing problem that the world is facing. Why is it so common? If you think about it, is it because most people are not really actively thinking about health, or is it because they are not paying attention? Just here, right in United States, about 40% of the population is obese and 70% of the adult population is overweight. So why should you care? Is this because most of the global population now, about 70% of men and 60% of the women are overweight or obese, or is it because it is also a rising problem among the pediatric and adolescent population? Right here in United States, about 20% of the population is obese. So, given all these scenarios, the questions that we should ask is why does it matter? If you think from a medical perspective and metabolic perspective, almost about 200 or even more chronic conditions are obesity related problems. Heart disease, diabetes, cancer risk, hypertension, dyslipidemias or cholesterol issues, fatty liver disease, also arthritis, sleep problems, male and female reproductive disorders. These are all the conditions that are obesity related. Also from a behavioral perspective, eating disorders, body image disorders, mood disorders, sleep disorders are all a challenge that comes with obesity. From a social perspective, weight stigma, weight bias and discrimination is another challenge. So, if we take from a medical community perspective, these are all based on like obesity centric or a weight centric approach. But as an individual, if you are seeking health, how about we look at it from a different approach or a different perspective? Because when we look at all these conditions, it is overwhelming when we talk about the disease, which can bring fear and does not motivate us to pursue health. So, if we look at it from a health centric perspective, the same problem and address it, the results and the sustenance or maintaining health will be a better approach. For instance, let us say if I ask you, do you want to lose weight and get healthy, or do you want to get healthy to lose weight? See, there is a lot of difference. So, for an individual, it is more motivating to get engaged and approach this from a different perspective, from a health centric perspective, and keep it as a long term lifestyle approach. So, what can you do about it, or rather than what would you like to do about it? So, from a metabolic health perspective, clinically meaningful weight loss, I am going to stress this word, clinically meaningful weight loss, which is 5 to 10% of weight loss will improve all obesity related health conditions. Sometimes it can be 15%, but most of the time 5 to 10% can improve all the obesity related health conditions that I have mentioned before. Please join us on this day to spread awareness and to remain engaged on your personal journey and also of your loved ones, and stay active and be involved in your local communities to spread awareness. Kotam Metabolic Institute, the KMI Community Connect, is very happy and proud to be part of this global campaign, to help individuals with excess weight, either overweight or obesity, or also to give access for science and clinically based treatments and help with excess weight. I wish you all a very healthy journey towards your healthy goals. Please partner with your community physicians. If they are trained in obesity and metabolic medicine, it is even better. Otherwise, you can please take guidance from them, even from your primary care doctors, and seek their help and make them as your mentors and approach them with your own goals rather than they talking about your weight and addressing it, because the success will be better if you start bringing it up for a better health. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for this opportunity to connect with you.